to my cash envelope stuffing video. I live for these videos. It's my absolute favorite thing about budgeting to do. It's so satisfying and so rewarding. Thumbs up if you guys already use the cash envelope method. I'm going to be sharing my system with you. We have these cash envelopes available in our Etsy shop. The link is down below. And we are getting ready to restock, guys. They sell fast. So every 2 weeks we try to do a restock, and it's coming up this weekend. So these are the cash envelopes we're going to be funding today. This is for the whole month for us, and we are pulling from this budget form. So we just did our January 2019 budget. This is the cash envelope form we used. Here's all of our categories with the amounts that we're going to be putting in there. So I've got all the denominations from the bank. We went to the bank this morning. I took a picture, gave that to the teller, and she gave us $1,380 back. So that is what we're going to use to stuff. I want to mention, I will stuff my cash envelopes, usually leave the money at home unless I'm going to use it. If it's my fund money, I carry my cash envelope with me, or gas money for the car. This is a lot of you have asked what to put your cash envelopes in, and this is my favorite. It protects my cash envelopes, and I can just go ahead and put it in my purse. I don't have a wallet that fits my cash envelopes, but this does work. The only downside, I think they come in only packs of like 12 of these clear covers. So they're on Amazon. I will go ahead and put that link down below as well for you. A lot of you have asked that in the comments. So that is what I do. That's how I carry my cash. We do have a cash box here in the house, and where we keep most of it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I do want to point out, when you purchase these cash envelopes, when you purchase these cash envelopes, they come with registers. We've included 6 registers for each envelope, as well as these labels that you can just put clear tape over and tape them to your envelopes. I used my my label maker on these, but I actually like this method better because the tape comes off better. And then there's some blanks so you can add your own categories, as well as give save spend if you're setting your kiddos up for that. Okay, so there is that. Let's get started. The first one we're going to fund is food. So we're going to go ahead and take 5 $100 bills, and then 2 20s, and that goes into our grocery cash envelope. So this I will set aside. We grocery shop every 2 weeks. That I will set aside until I need that to go with me, okay? Next up is gas for the car. And gas is all 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. That's a lot of gas money. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. Yep, 360. Goes into our gas envelope. And then my hubby and I pull from this as we need gas throughout the month for our cars. Okay, the next is eating out, and we've budgeted $100 for eating out. That's 5 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81. Okay, and then fun money for me. So 20, 40, 60, 80, $20 per week for moi. And that covers like just fun things I want to go do with the kiddos, or special treats. If we want to make a cake, we can go get, you know, the ingredients to make the cake or whatever. Catches a lot of like field trip monies and things like that as well. Okay, so Christmas for next year. It was just Christmas, and we already have $40 set aside, and it's still December, which is super exciting. So Christmas, we want to budget for $480 next year. And so how you do cash envelopes is you just take your total amount. We wanted $480. We divided that by 12, and it gives us $40 per month. So that's how you know how much you want to stuff in your envelopes. And then birthdays. So this is our entire family's birthday. My birthday is in January. So this will probably get used. My family will do my birthday, or we will do something on my birthday for $20. And then the kids. So kids are all ones, half is ones and half are fives. So 1, 3, 4, let's see, half are ones or half are fives. So $40. Now this money pays our kids on the Give, Save, Spend. So that system is what we use, and it's as they do chores, they get paid every Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then there's $40 left, and we've got that in fives, 5, 10, 15. We've already paid out some. So that is what is left of that. And then you will notice, you guys, we have a huge amount left. And this is super exciting because this is our emergency fund, baby step number 1. So we have $728. Actually, we are well above because we had money stashed aside over Christmas that we didn't use. So our emergency fund by the end of January is actually going to be around $1,100. But this is the cash that we have now. And so we're just going to go ahead and count that because that's going to go into our emergency fund. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 370. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually think I'm going to put that in the kids'. So 375 today. And then the rest of the month, we're going to dump a lot, get that fully funded so that we can move on to our baby step number 2. And that is just throwing cash at our debt snowball. So that is it, you guys. This is our cash envelopes, how we are setting up our month of January. We've lived without cash envelopes and we've lived with cash envelopes. And honey, which months are better?
With envelopes.
Definitely with envelopes, you guys. So much so because it sets boundaries on everything, and it helps you know what, like if we want to go out to eat, we have $100 for the month and that's it. We don't go over, we don't take from other envelopes. So that's it, you guys. Any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. If you love this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know if you want more videos like this. We are happy to make them and show you how we're living on a budget and probably living our best life, easily living our best life, hands down. So have a great day, you guys. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and we will see you in the next video.